Number 1. Maruthamalai Arulmigu Subramanya Swami Temple. Marudhamalai is a popular 12th century hill temple situated in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. Built by Tamil kings during the Sangam period as indicated in the Purunanuru, the temple is dedicated to Lord Murugan and is considered 7th house of Lord Murugan. Like most Murugan temples, the temple is situated upon a hill rock, part of the Western Ghats about 12 km west from the center of the city of Coimbatore. Thai Posam and other Murugan festivals are celebrated here. Number 2. Kovai Kondatam Amusement Park Private Limited. Kovai Kondatam is an amusement park located about 2 km away from Perur in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. A fun-filled destination ideal for spending hours of unending entertainment with friends and family, Kovai Kondatam is an eco-friendly theme park. The park was built by Tamil actor Vijay and caters to all large base of visitors with numerous water-based and dry rides. Number 3. Adiyogi Shiva Statue. Surrounded by verdant green farms at the foothills of Veliangiri mountains in the Western Ghats, Adiyogi Shiva statue is the world's biggest bust statue dedicated to famous Hindu deity Shiva, which is carved out of 500 tons of steel. Located in the Isha Yoga complex in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, the sculpture stands tall at the height of 112 feet. The Guinness World Book of Records recognized the statue as the largest bust sculpture, which is 34.3 meters tall excluding plinth, 45 meters long and 7.62 meters wide. Number 4. Siruvani Waterfalls. Siruvani Waterfalls and the dam named after them are located 36 kilometers west of Coimbatore in the Western Ghats. The reservoir at Siruvani was built for Tamil Nadu by the Kerala government with funds collected by the Tamil Nadu government to meet the drinking water requirements of Coimbatore. The gateways on either side of the road across the dam are typical of the Kerala and Tamil architectural styles. Siruvani is also home to certain tribals like the Mudugars and Irurals. The view from the falls and the dam is a tourist attraction. Number 5. VOC Park and Zoo. VOC Park and Zoo, also known as the VO Chidambaranar Park, and is an amusement park and zoological garden mostly visited by locals of Coimbatore for recreational purposes. The park and zoo is a preferred picnic spot for families who get their kids to have a wonderful time and introduce them to the world of animals. It is a perfect place to get the imagination running to build stories. The zoo houses over 500 animals belonging to about 30 species, including birds, mammals, and reptiles. Number 6. Arulmigu Patiswarar Swami Temple. Arulmigu Patiswarar Swami Temple, or the Perur Patiswarar Temple, is an ancient temple dedicated to Lord Patiswarar located at a distance of 9 km from the city of Coimbatore. The Grand Temple has immense religious, cultural and historical importance for the followers and devotees of Lord Patiswarar who visit from all over the world to offer their prayers. This temple is also commonly known as the temple dedicated to Lord Nataraj. The ancient artwork, paintings, sculptures and carvings attract art lovers too. Number 7. Monkey Waterfalls. Only 65 kilometers away from the hustling and bustling city of Coimbatore is the peaceful Monkey Falls. Enveloped between evergreen forests and rocky cliffs, the alluring waterfall brings together the entire scenery. Anyone in the earshot of the hunting monkey waterfalls is inevitably drawn to these melodious sounds. The water swishes across the rocks joyfully and drives into a pool of water as clear as cellophane. As the water thunders down like a giant water spout, it forms bubbles of white foam where it merges with the pool. Number 8. Gedi Car Museum. Gedi Car Museum is one of the few places in India where one can find cars made in Britain, Japan, France, Germany and America under one roof. The collection of cars is exceptionally well maintained and all the relevant information about the vehicles on display is mentioned for visitors to learn. It is therefore a favorite attraction for automobile freaks and engineering students. Along with the cars built internationally, there are a few Indian cars as well, including a prototype of a low car designed by G.D. Naidu. Number 9. Black Thunder Theme Park. Black Thunder Theme Park is an expensive water park in Coimbatore that covers an area of 75 acres of land and has an array of water-themed rides. Those looking for a splendid escape near Coimbatore in the scorching summer heat must visit the Black Thunder. The park has rides to suit every age group and includes thrilling and relaxing experiences right from dashing boats, volcano, dragon coaster, kiddies pool, wave pool to a wild river ride. One needs to just pack their essentials and head there with the family and friends. Number 10. TNAU Botanical Garden. Spread over an area of around 300 acres in Coimbatore, TNAU Botanical Garden boasts of some rare varieties of trees, shrubs and herbs. The garden is very well maintained and vibrantly blooms with flowers including roses, marigold, carnations and lilies, etc. Hope you liked this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.